Hello, everyone. Today, our conversation unites inspired wisdom, creative vision, and the power of evolving technology. Our guest, renowned for bridging conscious living with technological advancement and featured in global media, inspires hope and transformation across generations. It is our privilege to welcome Bill V.
Harmony of soul, earth and sky. Together we rise, together we try. Protect and cherish the grace of God's creation. For future
Beloved, the fact that you live means your soul, body, mind, and spirit work in harmony through Christ's love. But what is your soul? It is pure energy, the energy of the universe itself, flowing through the Holy Spirit. Just as water makes up most of your brain and body, the soul is the life force in every cell, every organ. Your soul thrives only when it aligns with the right spirit, a spirit that is constructive for you, your family, your nation, and the world. When your soul is in tune with the pure energy of the Holy Spirit, with the natural rhythms that sustain all life, you are part of the eternal flow God intended for the earth. But when we act against life, polluting our air and water, we break this sacred bond and risk our destruction. For millennia, our souls have survived by working with pure air and water. Polluted thoughts, polluted actions, polluted earth. They threaten not only today, but the continuity of all life. So thank the divine for cleansing, for the chance to protect what matters. Cherish and improve your air and water. This is our duty, not just for ourselves, but for our children, for our land, for the world, for generations to come. Every act of stewardship today is a bridge between yesterday, today, and tomorrow. You matter. You are the link in the eternal chain of life. Let us work together to heal the earth and shape our legacy into one of life, abundance, and gratitude. The future thanks you now, for by him all things were created, in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible. Colossians 1:16.